Introducing new Kawasaki Meguro S1 model 2025. New Kawasaki Meguro S1 model just announced in Japan. The Meguro S1, born after 60 years, is a model that strongly reflects the design philosophy of the former Kawasaki 250 Meguro SG. And the coloring is based on black, with effectively placed chrome plating shining. The hand-painted Meguro emblem on the fuel tank makes it stand out. The engine is an air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder with large cooling fins. The engine covers have a classical shape, and each part is designed with care, such as the cylinders with heat-resistant black paint reminiscent of old iron parts. The Meguro S1 is so popular retro street bikes in Japan. So we think you will satisfy about this model. Thanks for watching.